Qingdao Jero Steel Company is a professional steel material integrated supplier located in the beautiful coastal city Qingdao. The main product is galvanized steel, pre-painted galvanized steel, galvalume steel, roofing sheet, stone-coated metal roof tile. The company provides a very comfortable work environment and humanized management system. We hope that a job can not only bring salary, ability, friendship, experience, but also bring happiness, passion, and the sense of achievement. Meticulous operation and service is our company's absolute advantage. Every line must be kept in good order. Firstly, we guarantee the product quality by our inspection team. Professional equipment, that is the key point for getting a stable and sustainable development. Secondly, we have strictly constrained for every step, such as production, package, inspection, delivery, etc. We lower the risk to the bottom, avoid the loss which is from misoperation. Therefore, we can calculate and control the operating cost with a really stable and accurate data that strengthens our price advantage. Thirdly, we have an excellent sales team. Each member has over 4 years steel material export experience. They can judge the market changes to a certain extent and provide some reasonable advice for customers. Our factory have the GI, GL, PPGI, PPGL, and roofing sheet production line. All the products is processing in the clean and tidy production workshop. Meanwhile, we own the independent storage space, QC department, and the inspection room of product features. We do the routine inspection for each kind product, and we test mechanical property, paint performance, corrosion resistance, usage life parameters for some products by our professional inspection room. Galvanized steel sheet have excellent performance. Zinc spangle and coating can be controlled strictly. Pre-painted galvanized steel have different colors. We can also accept custom pattern, logo. It is widely used for building, home appliance field. Alu-zinc steel sheet has great corrosion resistance and heat resistance. It has a much longer service life than galvanized steel material. Corrugated sheet is made of galvanized steel, galvalume steel, or pre-painted steel by rolling into a variety of corrugated sheets, which is suitable for industrial and civil buildings. A stable customer can bring us good reputation and constant economic benefit. For the past years, relying on a perfect quality management system and a rigorous service attitude, we get a trusted brand image in the minds of customers.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.